Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide our email address from spam bots in WordPress. So this is our email and we are going to protect this email from spam bots. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write email address obfuscation. So this is our plugin. So click on install now. Also open it in new tab and then click on activate it. Now go to plugin description. Now you see plugin that protect email address from email harvesting bots. So you can use this shortcode. Now you see different format. If you want to add plain email address, use this format. If you want to create clickable email address, use this format. This is our CSS class format. Also email address with email subject, so you can use any. So we are going to use this. Now copy. Now go to edit page. So we are going to paste it. So you can add your email like info@email.com and then click on update. So spam bot cannot crawl this email. Now page updated done. Go to website page, refresh the page. So now this is our email and we are going to check it's work or not. So open source code, view page source. Now we are going to find email info@email.com. In page source, in source code area you don't see email address because email address is hide and show in different format. And then you see this is our code. So this is our email address, hide from spam bots. Now you see email address not visible, hide code. Now go to page again. So we inspect element. Now you see code. So this email address not visible to spam bots. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.